Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the heart of Indian cuisine with a fragrant and flavorful rice dish, green coriander pulao. This aromatic pulao is bursting with the fresh flavor of coriander. The combination of fragrant basmati rice, aromatic spices and generous amount of fresh coriander leaves create a truly delightful dish. The vibrant green color of the pulao is not only visually appealing but also a testament to its freshness. It's a perfect side dish for any Indian meal, or it can be enjoyed on its own. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. In this video, I'll guide you through step-by-step process of making green coriander pulao. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take a mixer jar, add 1 bunch coriander leaves, 2 green chilies, 5 garlic cloves, 1/4 cup water, and then blend this to a smooth paste. So the masala paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 8 green cardamom, 12 cloves, 3-inch cinnamon stick, 3 bay leaves, 3 green chilies, 30 to 35 curry leaves, and fry it for a minute. Then add 2 onions chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 2 tomatoes chopped and fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add 1 cup green peas, 3 carrots cut in small cubes, and fry it until the carrots are nice and soft. Then add some salt to taste and add the green masala paste. Then fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add 6 cup water and give this a nice mix. Then add 6 stock cubes. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 1 tablespoon garam masala. Add 3 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for about 20 minutes, and then give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook the rice for about 80%. Then add 2 tablespoon butter and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the rice is fully cooked. But make sure the flame is on low. Then give this a nice mix. And there you have it guys, a fragrant and flavorful green coriander pulao. The perfect blend of aromatic spices and fresh coriander leaves will leave you wanting more. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And if you try this recipe at home, be sure to leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. I would love to hear your thoughts and see your creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.